Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to add a new domain on your HosterPk hosting account? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it using cPanel. First, log into your HosterPk cPanel. You can do this directly from your client area or by entering yourdomain.com/cPanel in the browser we've covered in the last videos. Once inside, scroll down to the Domains section and click on Domains. This is where you can add and manage additional domains on your hosting account. Now, click on Create a new domain and type in the domain name you want to add. Make sure to uncheck the Share Document Root option. Then hit Submit. cPanel will automatically create a separate subdirectory to store your website files, and you can even customize this directory if you like. And that's it. Your new domain has been successfully added. From here, you can upload your website files into the Domains folder, or use the HosterPk WordPress installer to set up your site quickly. And that's it. You've successfully added a new domain in cPanel with HosterPk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more web hosting tutorials.